Hi, my name is Jason Verdone, and I'm from the Learning Resource Center South at Rowan University. And today I'm here to talk to you about our Learn and Create series. Today we are going to make a alphabet Alligator match learning center. Okay, something that's interactive, hands-on, and play-based, because that's how early childhood and kindergarten students learn, by doing hands-on. So we are going to take either I use the dishwasher pod container or a coffee can, whatever you have. And I used duct tape, green duct tape, to cover it, okay? And this is nice because it has the mouth. So you'll see at the end that the students are going to be able to feed their alphabet matches Alligator. And I did the same thing with the coffee can. I used an X-Acto knife and I cut him a mouth so that it'll be the same concept of the children being able to feed the alphabet matches. So what we're going to do is either using the die cut machine, the LRC-South, when we reopen, or if you want to do it at home, attached to our video is going to be some PDFs that you are free to download and copy. So for those who don't know how to use the die cut machine, we're just going to put our die in. We have our capital A, block letter, because we always want to use block letters when we're working with students, particularly early childhood students and kindergarten students, because that is how students learn the alphabet, because that's what's presented to them in their environment. So we're going to make an A, just as an example. You put the rubber side in first. Okay, you put your paper, then you press it down. We have a perfectly shaped A. That's our uppercase. Then we have our die. Okay, we're going to always rubber side down with our paper underneath. We have our lowercase A. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue them on our cardboard, our poster board strips. As we know that students learn the uppercase letters before the lowercase letters. But we're going to do both because they're going to match the uppercase and the lowercase together. So you can get your scissors. So we're going to make. Then I use these fun craft scissors that you might have at home. And I cut down the middle. And that's how your two pieces are going to be a self-correcting puzzle. So children will know that when the two pieces match, that these belong, the upper and lowercase A belong together, because students learn the concept of uppercase letters before the lowercase letters. So if you can't get to the LRC-South, you can very easily use the block letter PDFs that we have attached. You just print them and download them and print them off. Same concept, but just a different format. So you're going to cut out the letter, the uppercase and the lowercase, glue them on your same poster board. Find yourself another pair of scissors. We're going to cut down the middle. And right here we have a nice self-correcting puzzle piece, just like we have here with our die cuts. So what's nice about our alligator is they both have mouths. So the children can, as they find their matches, they could feed the hungry alligator the letter matches. So this is a nice activity if you ever read Five Little Monkeys, okay, swinging from the tree, teasing Mr. Alligator, can't catch me. So we have our alligator alphabet match. So I thank you for viewing our first Learn and Create video from the LRC-South. So stay tuned for other videos that you'll be able to use with your students or with your own children. Thank you.